I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the broth for ramen. Start by gathering pork or chicken bones, kombu, dried shiitake, scallions, ginger, and garlic, then cover with cold water. Bring to a gentle simmer and skim off impurities for the first hour, keeping the heat low. Simmer for at least 4 hours for depth, add salt or soy later, and strain through a fine sieve before seasoning. Build flavor with toasted aromatics and umami boosters, and taste as you reduce. Char garlic and ginger in a dry pan for added depth, then add to the pot with scallions. Steep kombu and dried shiitake gently, removing kombu before boiling to prevent bitterness. Reduce the stock until concentrated, then introduce soy, miso, or salt carefully, tasting frequently so the broth stays balanced and not too salty. Finish the broth with careful straining and chilling to clarify and refine texture. Pour through a fine mesh or cheesecloth, cool quickly, and refrigerate to let fat rise so you can remove excess, keeping a smear for richness if you like. When ready to serve, reheat gently without boiling, taste once more, and adjust seasoning so the broth frames your noodles and toppings perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.